1-minute read: should you switch to an electric vehicle? With nearly 1 in 5 new UK cars now electric and a 2035 ban on new petrol and diesel models looming, many drivers are wondering if it's time to make the switch. Electric vehicles, EVs, offer lower running costs, fewer moving parts, and a significantly smaller carbon footprint, often up to 70% less over their lifetime. Financial perks like zero road tax until 2025, reduced company car tax, and exemption from congestion charges make EVs especially attractive for city drivers. However, EV ownership still isn't perfect for everyone. Higher upfront prices, charging access, and range limitations can make them less practical for drivers without off-street parking or those who frequently travel long distances. Depreciation can also be unpredictable as battery tech evolves quickly. If you're not quite ready to go fully electric, plug-in hybrids offer a smart middle ground, combining short-range electric driving with petrol backup for flexibility and peace of mind. Bottom line, switching to an EV makes sense if you value low running costs, sustainability, and drive mostly short routes with easy access to charging. But if convenience and cost still favor petrol, waiting a little longer is no bad thing. The future is electric, but the timing should be yours.